Dear viewers, today is another show on Benjamin Academics. We are going to be working on a very important calculation part in demand and supply. Many students have been asking so many questions. And a student yesterday, by chance, snapped the question and said, and I decided that today I should put up a video so that it should be very clear to each and everyone. And the questions goes as follows. It says, the following is a demand and supply schedule for a commodity Y, showing that everything is Y, is represented as Y. And then we have the prices. We have the price from 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, and 10. We have the quantities demanded as well from 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And we have the supply from 60, from 140, 120, 180, 60, and 40. Now, the first question, they say, what then is the equilibrium price? That is, suppose they say find the equilibrium price and quantity trade. Now, what is equilibrium price? Equilibrium price is when the quantity demanded of a commodity is equal to the quantity supplied. Now, what is the equilibrium price in this question? The equilibrium price will search from where the quantity demanded is equal to the quantity supplied. On searching, we discover that the equilibrium quantity is 80. That is 80 at this point, 80. So it has been illustrated to us that the equilibrium quantity is 80 and the equilibrium price is 12. So in your first answer, we are going to put 12 and the equilibrium quantity, we are putting 80. So you have explained to us what the question requires me to do. Now, in the second part, it was asked, suppose the government of Cameroon imposed the tax of 3 francs per unit on the commodity. Find the new equilibrium and quantity. Now, looking at the new equilibrium and quantity, the government has imposed prices. That means it has added prices to all these goods. Now, we have added 3. So here we are going to have plus 3. Here we have plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Plus 3, plus 3. Now, looking at it, how can we get the new equilibrium price and quantity? The government has imposed 3 francs upon all the prices of goods and services that are available in the market. Now, the price now increase with this, it becomes 18. It becomes 18, and the next price of it becomes 17. The next price of it becomes 16. The next price becomes 15. And the next price becomes 14. And the next price becomes 13. Now, the country or the equilibrium price that we can get, it shows that when you have calculated according to what the government has imposed as tax on all the goods, you must stand with the same price that has been given. So at the price of 15, nothing can be supplied. That is, at the price of 18, nothing can be supplied. At the price of 17, nothing can be supplied. At the price of 16, nothing can be supplied. But at the price of 15, it is a new equilibrium. Now, we are looking at the price of 15. What was added? It was at the price of 12. So here, we are creating a new table. And creating a new table at the price of 12, that was when they added, it became a new price here. So here we are looking at the equilibrium price. So the equilibrium price as for here will give us this, you look, 80. Now the second we are looking at this, will give us what? 60. And the third will give us 40. So we have come out with a table. Dash, dash, dash. This solving has been solved, and now how can we determine the equilibrium price and the equilibrium quantity? Now the equilibrium price is what? 14. Why? The quantity demanded is 60. The quantity supplied is 60. That is our new equilibrium price. So our new equilibrium price is 14. And our new equilibrium quantity is what? 60. That's what has been gotten for the new equilibrium price and the new equilibrium quantity. Now, in the next part of it, the question says, By how has the producer's total revenue, in bracket, net tax, been altered? Now, how has it been altered? You come, you look at the question again. You now multiply first, the first equilibrium price. Now we are multiplying 12 times 8. That's what we have to multiply. And on the other part, we are multiplying the new equilibrium price, which will be 14 times 60. We have got, so when we calculate this 12 times, yeah, 0 goes out, and yeah, we have 0 here, 16 carry 1, 16, yeah, 16 carry 1, and so here multiply gives you 8 plus 1, 9. So here we give you 9, 16, and here we still put a 0, a 0 goes out, and then you say 6 times 0, 6 times 0, 0, 6 times 24, carry 2, times this, it gives you 6 plus 8. So in a question, it has been altered by this, by 960 and 840. Now they are asking us on the last part of the question, they say calculate the elasticity of demand before imposition of tax around the equilibrium. Now calculating it, we are just looking from 12 to 13. When it goes from the price, the PED, that is price elasticity of demand, will be 1.5. How did we get the 1.5? We are calculating the price elasticity of demand from 12 to 13, and the price which that is we are looking at would the percentage change in this plus percentage change in this. Percentage change in price over percentage change in quantity. So when we substitute them, we are getting 1.5. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video on Benjamin Academics. If you saw that our video was quite interesting, please subscribe to our channel and click the subscription button. And in our comment box, you can tell us what you think about this video. We are going to be putting up more videos as this in the subsequent days ahead. Thank you very much for watching. See you in our next video.